At IDS, we are constantly striving to be industry leaders. How do we stand out? Through the quality of our products and our high level of service. IDS provides products for trucking, construction, marine, farming, and other industries.
At Industry Diesel, our mission has always been to be the leader in fuel injection and turbo repairs. We've been around for 50 years, and in that time, we've become the most trusted name in the business and also one of the largest.
IDS continues to grow through the quality and reputation of our products and services. We provide our customers with the skills, information, and knowledge they need.
Here at Industry Diesel, we like to give our customers, or owner-operators, mechanics, clientele, the proper information that they need and proper customer service to be able to install the product the first time and do it well. Our tech support is second to none, and we know this because our customers tell us.
I really like working with IDS because they give impeccable service, they stand behind their product, they have so much knowledge.
They're on the customer side, not just me. It's about their product, they're standing behind their product, and they want it backed up.
Our vision is not just of the present, but also the future. IDS continuously invests in training and the latest technology.
In this industry, you always have to look ahead 5, 10, 15 years ahead. New products are always coming out, and what we pride ourselves in is being the first to market.
From the smallest automotive turbos to large industrial marine units, Industry Diesel can handle anything. Our strengths are that we have a lot of inventory like a large company would, but we have the flexibility of a small organization to be able to compensate quickly and be able to give customers the service that they need.
I think we can say we're number one for quality because of our sophisticated test equipment, and our technicians are some of the most experienced in the industry.
At Industry Diesel, we can test and rebuild CAT, EUI, and Huey, Cummins, ISX, ISL, ISC, Common Rail, ISX and QSK Mechanical, Select, Topstop, and STC, Detroit, Volvo, and Mack EUI, Navistar Huey, Mercedes DD13 and 15, Packard, Deere, and Iveco. We're also certified for Bosch, Denso, Delphi, Standardine, Zexel, and Yanmar.
Products themselves from industry have been, if not on par, if not better than what we've been able to get from OEM.
Industry Diesel to me are one of my favorite vendors that I deal with. Their product is basically second to none. They are one of the best rebuilders, fuel injection, turbocharger rebuilders, one of the best in Canada.
When we send out our injectors to IDS, the product is very reliable and very well taken care of.
Very confident in the work being done. I'm building diesel engines, and the fuel system has to work properly for the engine to work properly.
Our high-quality parts save our customers over 50% compared to buying the OEM product.
When it comes to pricing as well, we can rely on them for every single time that we call in. We know that we're going to have a better price. For example, we had a vendor that we were dealing with just yesterday. The vendor was charging us $7,500 for a new turbo and called up industry, and 5 minutes later we had one sent out for $2,800.
IDS operates a 20,000 square foot facility with over 4,000 products. We stock them so you don't have to. Our goal is to ship your order the same day you place it to almost anywhere in North America.
IDS has one of the largest inventories in the business, and it will minimize customer downtime so that they can get back on the road and rolling and making money.
Our high-quality parts save you money, and quick delivery saves you downtime. After 50 years in business, we still strive to stay on top, to be the best. And we continue to grow through the quality and reputation of our products.
There's a reason we're here. For 50 years, we provide quality service.
At IDS, we are leaders in our industry because of our commitment to service, because of the quality of our products, and because of the strength of our team.
IDS, the largest and most trusted name in diesel and turbo remanufacturing. Call, click, or visit today.